Let go.
Like I was before. Oh, I will find a way back from the rain and the storm, and I will form a picture of my future painted in gold. And time ain't got no reason when you're lost and alone. Show me the light to lead the way. I need some time to be okay.
We first go to Corse and we filled up the car now, and I want to say that it's really important if you ever go to Corse that you fill up your car, because there are no places to do that or any supermarkets. Good morning. I woke up in Nonza. Yesterday we started in Bastia. We drive from the port to a fountain where we fill up our water bottles with water. Then we drove to Saint Florent to fill up the car and do some food shopping. Then we drove here to Nonza. Then it was 9 p.m. We arrived here and it was too dark to film something.
I need some time to be okay.
Good morning from Corsica again. It's day 3 now. Wow, wait a moment. Here are some cows taking some breakfast. But what I wanted to tell you is that we're now at the northern point of Corsica. We arrived here yesterday. We're on another beach, on a sandy beach, but it wasn't that beautiful. So we drove here and slept here in our car. Erzähl, was wir machen.
Ja, wir gehen wandern. Mit Adiletten. Da hinten hat jemand noch. Gehen wir jetzt mal anschauen. Mit Adiletten.
Mit Adiletten.
Die anderen mit den Wanderschuhen da vorne. Der mit dem Velo. Ganz ein verrückter Dude. Die hinter uns haben auch Sonnenhut und Wanderschuhe. Ich denke, mit Adiletten lange schon.